and good morning. And I hope you've had an excellent weekend. I hope that your spirit has been lifted and that the first day of the week being Sunday would have prepared you for the first working day of the week, which is Monday, and allow you to flow as the Spirit of God will give you clear direction and purpose for your week. I wanted to look at the book of Isaiah chapter 1 and verse 18, and it simply says, "Come, let us reason together, saith the Lord." I found that to be such a potent verse. We'll deal with the rest of it later on in the week, but I wanted to draw your attention when someone who has been wronged says, "Come, let us reason together." And the word reason together means, come, let's settle the matter. Let's come to a resolution. Let's see how we can amicably get to the end of this without either one of us being diminished. When the wronged person, not the person who did the wrong, seeking an audience, but the person who was wronged, saying, "Come, let's settle the matter. Let's settle the matter." God is saying to humanity, God is saying to us, we've done the wrong. We've violated his will. We've crossed the line. We've missed the mark. We have crossed over the boundaries, knowing exactly where they were. We have done all of that, including dishonoring, disrespecting God, and the reverence that he deserves from us. We have withheld that because we've not served, we've not spoken out for him. We have allowed things to slip on by. And in the midst of that, God himself says, "Come, let us reason together." You come. I am the one who have been wronged, but I am seeking resolution from this. It's an invitation not to sidestep God, but in fact, to be confronted not only by what I did wrong, but who I actually wronged. And he is saying, "Come, let's reason together. Let's settle this. Let us settle this." And I wish that we'd have more people who would say, "Come, let's settle this. Let's verbally settle this. Let's not violently do so. Let's verbally do so. Let there be a meeting of the minds where we're able to settle it." And for Christians, this is not just something we do casually. This is something that we take seriously, and we do have the opportunity to see God do something like this purposefully. God is saying to you and I this morning, "Come, let's reason together. Let's bring the matter to a resolution. Let's seek how we can resolve the situations between us. We're the ones who violated her, but God is calling us." I hope you would respond today.